Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we are going to discuss the representation of linked list. After completing this video, the students will be able to illustrate linked list, list the advantages and disadvantages of linked list. One way to represent a linked list is by using two linear arrays for memory representation. Assume there are two arrays, info and link. In these two arrays, info of k contains data part and link of k pointer field to note k. Assume start as a variable storing the starting address of the list and null is a pointer indicating the end of the list. Here, start is equal to 9 means info of 9 is equal to h is the first character. Link of 9 is equal to 4 means info of 4 is equal to E is the first character. Link of 4 is equal to 6 means info of 6 is equal to L is the first character. Link of 6 is equal to 2 means info of 2 is equal to L is the first character. Link of 2 is equal to 8 means info of 8 is equal to O is the first character. Link of 8 is equal to 0 means null value, so the list ends. Generally, a linked list node is implemented in C++ programming using a structure and allocating dynamic memory to the structure. Now, let us discuss the advantages and disadvantages of linked list applications. Advantages: number of elements. Allocation of memory for the number of elements is not required. Insertion and deletion operations. While using linked lists, insertion and deletion operations can be performed without fixing the size of the memory in advance. Memory allocation utilizes only the exact amount of memory required for sorting data, and it can be expanded to acquire all the memory locations if needed. Non-contiguous memory. Do not require contiguous memory allocation. We do not require elements to be stored in consecutive memory locations. That means even if the contiguous memory block is unavailable, we can still store data. Disadvantages of linked list specifications. Pointer memory. Use of linked list requires extra memory space as pointers are also stored with information or data. Since we have to access nodes or elements sequentially, we do not have access to elements in linked list directly at particular node. Traversal. In linked lists, traversal from end of the list to beginning of the list is not possible. Sorting. Sorting elements in linked list is not as easy as sorting operations in arrays. Let us summarize. A linked list is represented by using two linear arrays for memory representation. A linked list node is implemented in C++ programming using a structure and allocating dynamic memory to the structure. Thank you for watching.